Day 2 of the North Coast 500. We've left Brora. We're just hauling up the A9 now for our first stop at Jono Groves, and then we're back on track for our rough schedule. Final stop, hopefully, Sango Sands.
Yeah, it should be another good day.
So we've made it, we're here, the Jono Grove signpost, just about make out Orby in the background. So yeah, we're heading for 273 miles away where we picked up our van.
It's pretty cool to be here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So we're back in the van again now after having a breakfast at Stack's Bistro. I was really healthy and had white chocolate cheesecake for breakfast. And what did you have?
Sausage turnover, and I've got a brownie to take away.
Yeah, it was fab. It was a really quirky place. Really loved it. Yeah, on to
Duncansby Head.
yeah. So that was a short 7-minute drive from Jono Grove to Duncansby Head, where we are now. So there's a lighthouse around here and some sea stacks, which we are going to head out and have a look at now.
Leg of the journey now, we're heading towards Tong, which is 64 miles away according to the sat nav.
Yeah, it's my turn now to the next stint of the journey, as Nath drove this
Definitely the scenic route.
Definitely, I think Nath would rather be driving on these roads, but it's my turn. Yeah, so the reality of camper vanning, I did put an Instagram photo and it looked all picture perfect, all neat and tidy, but this is the reality.
So we've just parked up in a little village called Tong, and we're going to go for a walk to this castle, Varrich. So let's see what this has got in store for us. that's where we're heading. Yeah, I don't really want to put a negative spin on it, but there's this is the castle, but it's definitely worth coming up here for the view. It's quite stunning, it's drizzling and it's still nice, so that says something.
But we've managed to come right up to the top of where the castle is, and there's no people, no